Afternoon, Wu brother number one coming at you. It's the Wu adjudicator. Check this out. I was asked could I speak on memory, and I wasn't gonna do it because I'm going through this right now. But I said, what better way to talk about something than you going through it? And so I am. My memories sometimes get the best of me. So how would you describe memory? Well, I believe our memories are not a description of the objective past, which leads me to say I feel as though our memory should be used as a tool. Now you got to explain that one, young guy. Well, a tool got several definitions. A tool could mean a private thing. That a tool also, look it up, could mean a foolish person. But that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about memory. So how does a tool equate with memory? Well, say you remember something very bad that happened. And if you could figure out why, then you could try to avoid the bad thing from happening again or stinging as much. Now, we cannot foresee a death, or nor can you stop it. However, the memory being used as a tool is that before you went through these problems, that you can better find a guide on how to deal with these problems. Now, we know that death is different for everybody, and we all take it in ways, some better than others. But if you could find a helpful tool that can give you a way of coping better with, then your memory becomes a tool. You get what I'm saying? I'm not saying this is an authority, but check this out. My 50 years on this planet, if this taught me anything, is that you don't have to keep following the same things that you were taught. That's foolish because you're not growing. Now, we can use those things we were taught and then add on to it, but if you just stay one way, what have you learned? Nothing. So I like to believe our memory should be used as a tool to help us deal with things in the future. Now, like I said, and please forgive me because I'm dealing with something myself, so I'm still trying to get this information. I want to end this with the mathematics. Let me do this. Let me end this with the mathematics on the science. Okay, young guy, if you could give any fruit or science on memory, what would it be? Well, I would have to think of Dr. Seuss. When Dr. Seuss said, sometimes you will never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. And that's Wu. Trust the process.